Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really good. So today is day 5 of Vlogmas 2018. I couldn't really do Vlogmas yesterday. That is day 4 because I had so much work. I was exhausted. I didn't get time at all to kind of do editing, any other stuff, even for the recording. So I am so sorry. And I am gonna name this video as day 4 itself, not day 5. And I promise you'll have 15 videos. Probably on Christmas Day I'll post 2 videos in the morning and in the evening maybe. So that's how I'm gonna balance yesterday's one. So for today's video I have something super interesting. So Christmas is all about gifting and all that stuff, and buying gifts is one step and wrapping it is another, which is like a huge one. Let's just be honest to ourselves and say that, do you really know how to like gift or wrap the gifts you got? If no, then yeah, you are in the correct place. I'm gonna show you like 3 cute and easy stuff which you can do yourself. They're so easy and they are super different, like completely different. You definitely didn't see all of these gift wrapping techniques outside, probably wherever you got it done. So yeah, let's get started. So the first one I'm gonna do is this one. So it has this string going on by which they can just hold it and then open the whole gift without, you know, tearing everything up. The second one is this one. It is super cute. It's the same technique as the normal basic gifting, but these two actually comes over here, and this looks like this. The third technique is so cute. So it has these pockets all over where you can just put your cards. For example, I just written Merry Christmas and I'm gonna put it over here, or maybe here, or I can actually put it over here like that. This is actually a pocket gifting technique. So this is it. that is it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, like, share and subscribe. And also let me know which technique is your favorite. Mine should be the pocket one because I can actually put a lot of things into that, and that's interesting. I hope you get a lot of surprises and gifts this Christmas. I'm gonna end this video and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our